Terminator coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today I've got another one from Nissin Foods. This is their cup noodles stir fry fiery Korean chicken flavor. It's got 5 out of 6 peppers down here on the bottom. That's pretty impressive. How do we do this one? 4 minutes and then let it sit for a minute. Okay, and is it room temperature water? Okay, we're on it. We are on the case. Come on, room temperature. That's pretty roomy. About there. All right. 4 minutes. Ding, 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 ding. Whoa. Four minutes, power level. There. What the heck? 4. 4 minutes, power level. There. Okay, so what's going on? We have guinea pigs. It's pretty cool. I like it. They're nice. Nice little buggers. Yeah, I'm gonna do a time-lapse video so you can watch them freak out in high speed. And they freak out really well. They're really into freaking out. I wonder if I can plug the power in on this. I wonder how much. Let's see. Oh, I got 38% still. I really like this. Oh, is that this phone or is it that? Let's find out. I need to look. Let's see. 78. Okay, so the phone I have sitting in front of me is at 38%. This one is at 78, which makes sense because all I use it for is the show. So yeah. Oh, I hear them stirring over there. Oh, they're drinking. They're getting their drink on. Oh, there he is, or she rather. Let's see if I can zoom in on her. Can you see her? Yeah, that's Betty. Hey, Betty. We got Betty and Petunia. They're nice little creatures. They're really mellow. They really are. I was really freaked out that they bite and stuff, but they keep it chill. They're really chill. Yeah, we brought them home last night, and the kids are like all sorts of stoked about that. Drinker. So yeah. Guinea pig drinking water. Oh, there she goes. Now she's probably gonna find some food. Oh, do we have... I wonder if Petunia's out too. I think maybe Petunia is out as well. But yeah, I'm gonna do like a long time lapse of these guys like doing what they do. They just like run around and do this and that and the other thing. Ooh, okay. Anyways, So yeah, we have little friends. Those are our new little friends. Let's see, did that work? No. We gotta zoom way, way, way out now. Okay, that's what we were looking for. Cool. Yeah, the GoPro didn't have zoom. GoPro. But yeah, like, I went out walking, going to get stuff, told my wife, yeah, have Mimi out there at a certain time, which is like always when the bus shows up. And then of course they had a substitute driver who came like 10 minutes early this morning. And then like she was out there, saw the bus driving away, flagged him down, he stops, and then he like gave her a ration of crap for being like, he's like, no, right here it says on the thing I'm supposed to be here at this time, blah blah blah. It's like, dude, that's not how it works. So somebody didn't give him a memo. We didn't get any kind of notification about him being early. So we do have a bus app that we've had it say that the bus is going to be like 40 minutes late, and it's there in like a minute and a half. So it's like the app isn't very worthy. But I will talk to one of the bus drivers that we're very good friends with and go, hey, what's the deal there? I'm guessing maybe that bus driver just like drives like a maniac. I don't know. But in 1 minute, we will have spicy. Did I even tell you what I'm making? Cup noodles, spicy, Korean spicy chicken flavor. I'm guessing that it's going to be kind of bulldog-like. I mean, what else would it be, right? So, we'll find out. All right, here we go. Let's do this up. And then I got to check and make sure that my poor little daughter doesn't get freaked out again. She was all freaked out, I guess, this morning. My wife was out there, and it's like the bus is leaving, and she was just like in tears. She's like, I can't miss school, I'll get in trouble. She's in preschool. It's like, it's not her fault. My wife was like, don't worry, worst case scenario, I'll drive you to school. It's gonna be okay. But she's 5. She's really into school. She gets on the bus and talks to her friend, and they talk about their shoes. It's really funny. Little fashionistas and divas on the bus. It's great. They have their fun. Little girl fun. And my son, Miles, gets on his bus, and they just like hoop it up. He says like, okay, love you, Papa. Hope you have a good day. And then all the other kids on the bus, all the other little boys are like, hi, Papa. It's kind of nice. All right, so this is fiery Korean chicken flavor. Let's give this a try, see how fiery it is. It's spicy. Kind of a chemically spicy, kind of like what I expected. Definitely not bad. Nice taste to it. A lot of veg with this too. Oh my god. Not just fiery, but hot. We're gonna put some cilantro in there too. But first things first, I'm gonna take all this extra mung bean sprout and peppers that I have and stir it all in. Actually, why don't we just put it all in here? That should work pretty well, right? Shouldn't it? I think it will. Okay. I always end up with like way more of this kind of stuff left than I need. Okay. We got lots of spring onion and mung bean sprout, and I got these Fresno peppers. It's like, you know, what's a restaurant called Chili's? So at Chili's on their ad, they've got that little picture of a lot of people would just call them a red jalapeno. It's called a Fresno pepper. And yeah, they're ridiculously, stupidly expensive because I'm pretty sure it's like the same way to grow those as anything else. But yeah, so at the grocery store, they want like $12 a pound, which I think is about the same price as habaneros right now, which is kind of silly. I was really hoping that our new, it's not new, but the farmer's market I went to today would have them, but they didn't. So I get them at the grocery store, right? And they're like the saddest, tiny little, I mean, they're like, these peppers were shorter than my thumb, and I put them in my vegetable slicer thing, and I'm like, oh dude, I gotta be careful or I'm gonna cut my finger off. So freaking short. But, and then of course they're like, I can't find these jalapenos anywhere. What are these called? Actually, they're called Fresno peppers. Oh, okay. That's all good. Not expecting the checkout lady to totally know everything about every single kind of produce that the store sells when it's weird like that. But I'm sorry, I'm a produce junkie now. I really like good produce. It's very important. All right. Not bad, not at all like bulldog like I expected. It's like a nice spicy noodle with a decent amount of vegetables. Pretty good stuff. Alright, well that's it for me for today, and I'll catch you all tomorrow. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.